Okay. I came outside to record this intro, but it's really hot outside. So this is just me getting ready this morning. Okay, that's not a good angle. I need a better angle. Nope, it's not working. It's not working.
History with drugs, and he was now on death for home on fire.
Sounds familiar.
Want to know something even more eerie?
Oh my god.
I didn't know it was
I don't
too
even
much.
know.
So good. I should put some eyebrows on. Perfect. Okay, I need other makeup on. Done. Okay, I don't know what's happening here, but I'm struggling. It's better. We're making a comeback. Okay, I'm done. I think I want to be absolutely obnoxious today. Who am I kidding? All my lashes are obnoxious. Cute. Nice as look. I might have to. We're gonna wear them.
And then he starts crying because he had no idea what to do with it. But he says eventually
Let's cover up this face. I look so white in this. Like,
and I ain't no hipster, girl. I can make your hipster from Pittsburgh, smoke papers over a Swisher. I ain't thought about it. A perfect smile.
that might have been a little much.
My shit is crooked. Look at how far I keep my twisted grill. Yourself, girl, and nobody will.
Okay. I got a little heavy-handed. We're gonna make it out of this. Ooh, maybe. What went wrong? Everything went wrong. What am I talking about? We can recover, we can recover, we can make it work. Okay. I was supposed to go to the bar after this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go now. I don't know if I can salvage this. We're just gonna keep going. Okay. Sometimes you just need to bake it. Bake it all. Let's just add some mascara and call it a damn day. Yeah. She's looking like a 7.5 today. No, 7.5 is for a good day. We're like at a 5. We're at a 5 today. Maybe a 5.2 because I have lashes on. So good. This is so cool.